Let's learn 10 words from episode 14 of Merchant Meets the Wise Wolf. In the first part, I'll explain the words in detail, and in the second part, I will simply repeat the words and phrases twice in Japanese and once in English. Let's go! The first word of the day is 若い. 若い means young. The next word is 魚商人. 魚商人 means fish merchant. The first kanji, 魚 or sakana, means fish. The next word is 決闘. 決闘 means a duel. The new part of the series that just started is called 若き魚商人との決闘編. Hen means arc. Comment down below what this part would mean in your own language. The next word is 望郷. 望郷 means something along the lines of nostalgia or homesickness. The original word means something along the lines of longing for one's home. The first kanji means to long for, and the second kanji means the countryside home village, usually a term that describes where one came from. The title for this episode is 新しい街と望郷の思い. Alongside with the arc name, feel free to translate this into your own language and put it in the comment section down below. The next word is 買い食い. 買い食い means to buy and eat. 買う is a verb that means to buy, and 食う means to eat. This usually means that you are buying and eating at the spot. The next word is 騎士. 騎士 means a knight. The next word is 商売熱心. 商売熱心 means to be enthusiastic in business. 商売 means business, and 熱心 means earnest or enthusiastic. The next word is 所属. 所属 means to belong or to affiliate. The next word is 釘. 釘 means a nail. The last word of the day is 弟子. 弟子 means follower or a disciple. When used in business or profession, this also means a student or apprentice. 若い. 若い young. 魚商人. 魚商人 fish merchant. 決闘. 決闘 duel. 望郷. 望郷 nostalgia, homesickness. 買い食い. 買い食い to buy and eat. 騎士. 騎士 a knight. 商売熱心. 商売熱心 to be enthusiastic in business. 所属 to belong, affiliation. 釘. 釘 nail. 弟子. 弟子 follower, disciple, student, apprentice. That is it for this episode. I hope this helps you enjoy 狼と香辛料 more. それでは皆様ごきげんよう。